Hello, friends. Myself, Yojana Patil, librarian of DTSS College of Commerce, Malad, Mumbai. Today, we are going to see how to search the various e resources and e books, especially for commerce subjects. Friends, for easy search, I have included the links of many e resources and e books in our college website. So, we will see how to search commerce ebooks for your reference. First of all, we have to Google the website of DTSS College of Commerce. So we will type DTSS College of Commerce. See, this is the first link you will get. Click the link. This is our college website. Go to library. Then here they have given the link. You have to click on that link and it will be directed towards DTSS Library, the Learning Resource Center. You will find many details of our library on the home page. See. Home page and third page repository. And fourth page, events and activities. And on this page, last page, contact us, you will get the address. So our topic today is searching the e-books for commerce subject. So we have to go to the second page, that is digital library. Click on that. Here on this page, you will find lots and lots of links of various e-resources. We will quickly go through these resources and then we will see our main topic, that is e-books. See here, educational, this side, left side, educational e-resources, Enlist database, Swayam, Swayam Prabha, Vidyamitra, e-Pathshala, e-PG Pathshala, MOOC, Shodh Sindhu, Shodh Gangotri, Shodh Ganga, Vidwan, SSRM, Open Thesis, then e-journal resources, Sage Journals, Niscare, online periodical repository, IUP, then open e-resources, NCERT books, itbooks.net, free tech books, Vedantu, Khan Academy, Project Gutenberg, the free library, directories, INCAT, DOAJ, DOAB, Open DOAR. And on the right side, here, see, I'll show this must see videos. I have selected very good videos for you. University of Mumbai. Then MKCL success. MKCL click courses. Click courses. Click courses. Then spoken English. British Council English. British Academy IELTS. Then videos on personal development. First is from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Then Swami Vivekananda. Message for the youth. Then introduction to academic research. Collaborative Microsoft Office. Personality development. Then some videos are on career, how to choose your career, top 10 best career option after 12th, then 15 career options after graduation, MS tools for students, My English, American Library, Mumbai, ओपन स्टडी सेंटर मुंबई. सी मुंबईतील ही आहे प्रसिद्ध स्ट्रीट लायब्ररी, फेमस स्ट्रीट लाइब्रेरी. और लास्ट में मुंबई की सबसे बड़ी लाइब्रेरी, दैट इज एशियाटिक लाइब्रेरी. So these are the must-see videos, and now we will go to our main topic, that is e-books for commerce subjects. So here you can see FYJC, HSC. We will see the FYJC books first. Click the link. See here you can see all the subjects with the link of PDF. All the books are given in the PDF format. See Marathi, Hindi, English, Yuvak Bharti, then bookkeeping, accountancy, home management, organization of commerce, secretarial practice, cooperation, then Maharashtra State Board 11, IT book. Then again this is for commerce books, Yuvak Bharti English, Yuvak Bharti Hindi, first is Marathi, then Hindi, English for secretarial practice, then OC, cooperation, bookkeeping and accountancy, home management, maths and stats, part 1 and part 2. And then these are the science books, 11 science, Maharashtra State Board 11 science books in PDF format. Science, for science, same books, Marathi, Yuvak Bharti, Hindi, Yuvak Bharti, English, Yuvak Bharti, then physics, biology, chemistry, then Kannada, Gujarati, Bengali. So many books are there. And we will see one book. See here, Yuvak Bharti English PDF. This is for FYJC in 11th. See, English Yuvak Bharti Standard 11. Full book, full text as it is. Scan the copy. See, everything ditto it is there. Contents. See, 210. 210 pages. You can read anytime. On your gadget. So we'll go back and see the HSC books. What is here? this goes directly to eBal Bharati site, and so many textbooks are there. All the textbooks. See, इंग्रजी, मराठी, हिंदी, उर्दू, मराठी, आरोग्य व शारीरिक शिक्षण, गृह व्यवस्थापन, भूशास्त्र, मानसशास्त्र, जीवशास्त्र, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स, ग्रंथालय and माहिती शास्त्र, information technology, this is for science, this is for arts, and this is for वाणिज्य, commerce, संरक्षण शास्त्र, डिफेन्स स्टडीज, ॲग्रिकल्चर, ॲनिमल सायन्स, अन्नशास्त्र आणि तंत्रज्ञान, फूड सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी, गणित, कला, विज्ञान, भाग 1, भाग 2, and this is for commerce, maths and stats. This is also for commerce, part 1, part 2, economics, then OC, secretarial practice, BK, bookkeeping and accountancy, अर्थशास्त्र मराठी, वाणिज्य संघटन व्यवस्थापन, वाणिज्य, this is secretarial practice. No, this is secretarial practice. This is commerce, पुस्तक पालन, लेखाकर्म, इतिहास, हिस्ट्री, भूगोल, ज्योग्राफी, राज्यशास्त्र, सहकार, शिक्षणशास्त्र, तर्कशास्त्र, माय सब्जेक्ट, समाजशास्त्र, इंग्रजी, मराठी, वस्त्रशास्त्र, टेक्सटाइल, इंग्रजी, तत्वज्ञान, दिस इज माय सब्जेक्ट, फिलॉसॉफी, पॉलिटिकल सायन्स, कोऑपरेशन, एज्युकेशन, गुजराती, सिंधी, तेलुगू, बंगाली, महाराष्ट्री, प्राकृत, संस्कृत, अल्लाद, अर्धमागधी प्राकृत, पाली, पकासो यानी प्रकाश, पाली प्रकाश, हिदायतुल अरबिया, गुलहाय फारसी, पर्यावरण शिक्षण मराठी, शिक्षण इंग्रजी, बाल विकास, चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट, युवक भारती कन्नडा, सिंधी, रशियन, जापानी, चीनी, स्पॅनिश, जर्मन, फ्रेंच. See, so many languages and all the textbooks are there. Any language you can learn here. So these are the 12th textbooks. After that, BCom links for Mumbai University and Delhi University. These we will see. See, these links are given as they are appeared on the website of the mentioned university. This is Mumbai University Institute of Distance and Open Learning, IDOL. FY BCom Introduction to Business, this is in Marathi. FY BCom Commerce Paper 1, Marathi. Commerce Paper 1 Introduction to Business, this is English. This will see Delhi University. Auditing notes. Yes, it is opening. See, BCom second year, Commerce, Auditing, School of Open Learning, University of Delhi. Auditing, Introduction, Internal Check, Audit Process, Vouching, Verification, Company Audit, Appointment, Powers, etc. See, all the notes are there. Origin of auditing, etc. Introduction, definition. Anybody can study and use it for reference. 74 pages are there total. So you can see business and industrial law, business economics, maths and stats, business organization and management, financial accounting. Here also they have given. Okay, I have given these links as it is given on their website, so there may be some problem there. Okay, now we will go to e-reference books. See here, principles of management, organizational behavior, business ethics, entrepreneurship 2, introduction to business, business studies, introduction to intellectual property, business law, accountancy, financial accounting, managerial accounting, economics, principles of economics, macroeconomics, microeconomics, mathematics, introductory statistics, introductory business statistics, environmental science. See.
So that's all, friends. Do visit our website. Thank you so much.